Hi, it's Larry Herb, Xbox Live's Major Nelson, sitting here with Richard Irvin from the Xbox engineering team. Richard, welcome back. We're going to talk about the April system update for Xbox One.
That's right. Always an exciting time.
Absolutely. Last month was a great month with screenshots, which was one of the top requested features over on the feedback site at feedback.xbox.com. And you guys are going to cross another one off the list this month with voice messages. Let's talk about that.
So definitely one of the most popular requests from our fans since launch.
Right.
And we're addressing it in April by giving users the ability to send voice messages between Xbox One owners, but also between Xbox 360 and Xbox One owners.
Hey man, when do you get back in town? I kind of want to try the heist mode on Battlefield Hardline. Let me know.
Wow. So you guys are not only doing what people want, but you're kind of taking a little bit further. There's also one of the areas where you guys have been working hard on is parties and party chat. You're doing some really neat stuff with party chats this update, correct?
Party chat is a fundamental experience on Xbox Live, and there's some scenarios where our customers aren't able to chat with each other for a variety of different
reasons. Having connectivity issues or something.
Connectivity or privacy settings,
right.
Or things that are not obvious why they can't just chat with their friends.
Right.
And so we're making it easier for them to identify those issues and troubleshoot them.
So what does that mean? So you're going to get a little pop-up on the screen that tells you, hey, we're having a problem, or what does that mean?
Well, so it's all going to be in the party chat experience.
Okay.
So the Snap app. And so let's just take it scenario by scenario. One of the most common scenarios is you actually have your headset disconnected, or you have your Connect microphone disabled for chat.
Mm-hmm.
We're just going to give you a little message saying that your microphone is not enabled for chat.
Right.
You'll be able to click through to that into the appropriate area of settings and change it.
Right, and then because that'll minimize some of the. Can you hear me? Is this thing on? Hello. A lot of that. As the party, as you join a party, some people may have, to your point, they may not have their headset or Connect plugged in, or your privacy settings as well, right?
That's right. So the next common scenario that we encounter is a lot of people have their privacy settings set to only chat with friends.
Right.
And so, but we don't share the same friends necessarily.
Sure.
And so I invite you to a party and you invite one of your friends to a party, and I may not, if my privacy settings are set so I only talk to my friends.
You're not gonna hear the other people in the party.
That's right.
Right.
And so when that occurs, we'll let you know, and then you'll be able to click through that into your
Right.
privacy settings
Right.
and adjust it.
Right.
Or you can just add them as a friend.
Right.
And solve the problem that way.
Awesome. So cool stuff coming for party chat. Those great improvements. Now, in addition to everything else, Richard, I understand you're adding dedicated chat servers to help out in certain situations.
Yeah. So in the other scenario has to do with network configuration. And so the best experience for multiplayer and for party chat is going to be on an open or a moderate NAT configuration.
Sure.
It's not possible for every customer to go in and manipulate their router settings to give them the perfect settings. And so when the party chat encounters problems because of a strict NAT, we're going to start to route that user's chat experience through a dedicated server that makes it possible for the entire party to chat together without having to reconfigure your NAT.
Richard, in the February Xbox One update, you added this feature called Game Hubs, but now you're extending that in the latest update. Tell us about that.
With the April update, we're making Game Hubs easier for you to discover. And so now in your activity feed, let's say I'm looking at my activity feed and I see you've unlocked an achievement from Ori and the Blind Forest. When I go through the details on that, there's going to be a link back to the Game Hub so that I can really immerse myself in the world of that game, the game DVR clips, the activity feed for that game, other things that the Game Hub has to offer in talking about the game.
Richard, one of the most important parts of the Xbox platform is achievements. You guys have tweaked the achievements notification a little bit on Xbox One.
That's right. So now with the April update, when you unlock an achievement, you're going to see all the relevant details about the achievement without leaving your game. You're going to see the gamer score, you're going to see the name of the achievement, and what we are adding is the description of the achievement.
So you can get it all right there. Of course, you can still press and hold the Xbox button. It'll open up the achievement section, and you can go right in there.
That's right.
I want to talk about What's On. This is a feature that was delivered a few months ago in preview program, but you guys are tweaking it a little bit.
So we're continuing our preview of What's On to get it just right before we release it to the rest of the world. And we're adding some personalization to What's On, where the staff picks content is going to be targeted based on games that you have recently played. And so you're going to see a slightly more personalized view when you view What's On.
Great work this month. That's the Xbox One April system update. Richard Irvin from the engineering team, thank you for stopping by.
Always great to be here. Thank you.
Don't forget to check out news.xbox.com for all the updates, or my blog at majornelson.com. Thanks for watching.